Hello everyone, this is our video series on tutorials how to cook traditional meals from different countries. In this video we will be cooking a meal from Russia, which is called Okroshka, which is essentially a salad out of cucumber, potato, radish, egg, and doktorska kvass, which is essentially a Russian ham. It is served with mustard and either kvass or kefir.
You can pause to read if needed. First, let's start with peeling the potatoes, because cooking them would take the longest, so it's better to get done with them first. You will need 1 potato per person. Now, let's put the potatoes into water for 20 minutes to boil. And let's also make some hard-boiled eggs. Now, while our stuff is boiling, let's cut the vegetables, starting with the radishes. And the size we want to cut the radishes into is small cubes around the size of a pinky nail, maybe half a pinky nail, and you do this for all the ingredients that we cut into, because we want a comfortable consistency of our salad so that we can fit multiple cubes in our mouth in 1 spoon. Next is the Russian ham, doktorska kvass, which I actually really like, but unfortunately it's not that common outside of Russia. Take around 100 grams per person. And for cucumbers, 1 per person will be enough. Soon after we finish cutting our stuff, we have the eggs finished, and now we need to peel them. It is easy to peel them if you put them in cold water, so it's easy to remove the shell and the eggs aren't so hot. And then we cut the eggs and put them together to the rest. And finally, our potatoes should be cooked, so we take them out, cut them, put it all together.
Now that everything is done, it's time to mix it.
Now we put it into 2 different bowls to try it for ourselves.
And now you can add a spoon of mustard.
Now that we've prepared our bowls, it's time to serve them, one with kvass and the other one with kefir.
Okroshka is usually served either with kvass or with kefir, and it is a personal preference. For example, I like more it with kvass, but for the sake of today's video, we'll try both of them.
Hey Manny, now that you've had the experience of cooking Okroshka, are you ready to try it?
I'm so excited to try it. You got stuck. No way.
So how is it?
Smaczne. Bardzo smaczne. Yes.
And here comes the second version. The first one was the kvass. And this
Let's
one's
see
the
if this
kefir.
one will be better.
Do you like it? I take this as a yes.
Yeah. It isn't.
Now we're gonna just eat it. And how you would say in Russian, приятного аппетита. So, Mary, what do you think? It was quite enjoyable, wasn't it?
I think it's quite unusual, but it's quite a bit summer soup salad.
Well, that's what it is.
It is.
Thanks for watching.